Hi, my name is Delio Ernesto Galindo Peña. I am 24 years old. Was born in Colombia and I live in Pacho and sister Cundinamarca. With my parents, I have three sisters. My older sister Alejandra, she is public accountant. My second sister Natalia, she is a chef, and Amalia, she works in a bank. I also have a niece. She is called Valentina, and she is 5 years old. I am a student in the agronomy um, program, and I am in my sixth semester. I like to ride horse, listen to music, dance, and spend time with my family and friends. The last trip I made was to Huila to visit my grandmother in Paicol. The weather is warm and went to the swimming pool and the river. He went to the theme park where there were attractions. Attractions. He went to mass with my parents, sisters, and my grandmother, and visited other nearby tubes where he took pictures on the 8th. Typical dishes. My next trip will to be Santa Marta. I want to canoe the sea and enjoy beach. I will go with my family for sightseeing tours and learn about other cultures and beautiful landscapes that my country has. Thank you. In my next trip, I want to swim in the sea and then go diving to see many fish and their different species. I also want to visit several beaches of Santa Marta and take a boat trip. Then I want to see the sunset and at night eat with my family and buy souvenirs to give to my friends. Thank you.